Hello guys, my name is Abakar Bakadir. Today I'm having an exciting video to share for you guys, which is how you can make money online through Cuelinks affiliate network. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money online through Cuelinks affiliate network. I'm going to show you step by step how you can sign up and how you can add your traffic sources in order to start promoting offers on Cuelinks affiliate network and start making money from it. First thing you need to do now is to go to the Google Play Store and download the Cuelinks app. You search for Cuelink app at the Google Play Store here. Going to type Cuelink. This is the Cuelink. So after you download the Cuelink app at the Google Play Store, this is the Cuelink app. I've already installed it. So you are going to sign up after you've downloaded the Cuelink app at the Google Play Store. You open the app and sign up if you haven't signed up with them. So this is my dashboard on this Cuelink app. This is my own personal dashboard. These are the clicks that I have, 20 clicks for today. So this is the threshold, the amount of views. So here I can see the offers that people viewed. So all these offers are my offers that I applied and people viewed them. So far as you want to earn money on Cuelinks, you have to sign up. You go to sign up. After you sign up, then you add traffic sources. After you've added traffic sources, you wait for approval. Once they approve your traffic sources, then the next thing you need to do is to go to the offers. You go to the offers. You go to, so for you to apply for add traffic sources to your dashboard, you go to accounts after you've already signed up and you have been approved. So for you to add traffic sources that will enable the advertisers to know that you are the one promoting their offers, you go to check my channels. After I go to my channels, so these are my channels. This is my YouTube channel and this is the link to my YouTube channel. So it has been approved. This is the ID that they gave me. So this is my Twitter. This is the URL for my Twitter handle. I'm waiting for approval. So here you add your traffic sources here. After that, you wait for approval. So after you have been approved, you start promoting offers, but you first apply for offer. You go to Campaign Explorer in order to apply for offers on these Cuelinks. You click on Campaign Explorer. So there are thousands of campaigns that you can promote on these Cuelinks. So after you click on Campaign Explorer, you search for your country. Let's assume in Nigeria. Let me see the offers that I can promote here in Nigeria in order to make money from that offer. So I'll search for offer that I can promote in Nigeria. So I'll view the campaigns that I can promote here in Nigeria. So all these are campaigns that I can promote. So this Ade books is cost per sale. So first I can generate a sale for this book. Is an ebook site. So I can get 3 rupees for this because this platform is owned by Indians. So everything that you promote will be paid in rupees. So first I can promote this Abe books. I can earn 3% of their gain. So for you to promote this offer, you click on it. You generate link. After you generate the link, then you shorten the link, then you copy the link. So after you copy the link, you can go to your WhatsApp and paste it there. I'm going to go to my WhatsApp and paste this same link, this tracking link that they gave me. I'm going to my WhatsApp. I'm going to my WhatsApp. I'll paste it there. You can go to your Facebook groups, your YouTube channel, and paste the link there. Before some person buys something from you, you get 3% of what you get, or what they get from this Abe books offer. So I'm going to paste the link here. I'm going to paste the link here. As you can see, I've already pasted the link. So any person that is interested in the Abe books, you buy something from them, you get 3% of the what they got on this same offer. So I'm going to go to my Facebook account too and paste it there. So I'll go to my own Facebook account, Facebook groups, and paste this same offer. So immediately I generate a lead from this offer, I'll be paid 3% of what they got from this offer. So I'm going to go to my Facebook group and paste it there. I'm going to go to my groups and paste this same link there. So any person that is interested will buy the books. I'll get my 3% commission from the buying that the got. So I'm going to paste the link here. I'm going to paste the link here. So I will share the link on this same group. So now this is the link that I shared for them. This is the link that I shared for them. So any person that buy these books, he will get 3% of the commission. So as you can see, it's pretty much easy working with Cuelinks affiliate network. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this exciting video. So till we see in my next video, thank you, goodbye.